I'm on my hands and knees for, gosh, I don't know, 6 months out of the year. So let's get to work. Just taking the weight off my knees, my arms, and my shoulders is a game changer. Working the thing, go down, work some more. Again, over the side. It's taking all the weight, all the pressure off my body, which is going to give me longevity and get me back to work. So today, forecast on the vessel is about 50 hours. Usually we go either side, a little bit, but I was able to shave 10 hours off this boat using this. Being able to use both my hands, I feel like I'm two people. I'm able to get in there, do the job, and get it done faster, with less pain. It's a game changer. That's all I'm going to say. Get it.
Of evolution, 9 years of evolving a tool with the feedback of trade professionals to evolve the tool for industrial use. Number one, the device is less than 2 pounds. We know no two body types are the same, and you need to allow for flex. It's incredibly comfortable, and as you can see, as that rolls over, it creates a level of comfort for the user. The arm. This thing is built to last. They pay for themselves in spades. In fact, if you're a flooring contractor in this device within the first job.
Game. It's not a game, bro. First couple of days, it was one notch lower. And I moved it up one. I like it to be a little bit higher because I don't have the rocks far in my face. See how much more ground I can cover without moving? Yeah, it's got to be triple. My knees are way back here. There's no way I could touch this. I could touch that up there. So there's no way. I have way more control being on this. Now I'm up on this. If I didn't have the backup, it'd be harder because I couldn't do this all day long if I didn't have it. I couldn't sleep at night. I couldn't sleep at night, man. So